If you're looking for a bakery style muffin to enjoy with your brunch during the holiday season, you'll love my chocolate chip pumpkin muffins. My favorite thing is that these are packed full of chocolate chips and so easy to make. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make really easy pumpkin muffins perfect for the pumpkin season this time of the year. You can enjoy it pretty much any time of the year, but let me show you how to make them first. To a large mixing bowl, you're going to add your flour, brown sugar, caster sugar, which is super fine sugar, some baking powder, which is going to lighten these muffins and make them fluffy, bicarb soda, some salt, pumpkin spice, and you're going to whisk these together to combine them. Set that aside, and then to a separate bowl or jug, add the pumpkin puree. I have a great recipe which is really easy on my website, thescranline.com, for how to make pumpkin puree if you can't get the canned stuff, like me. It just doesn't exist in Australia. Add your milk in there, your eggs, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and whisk to combine. Add those wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until your batter is nice and smooth. Then add the chocolate chips and use a spatula to fold through. This recipe makes 12 decent sized muffins. If you're looking for the measurements of my muffin liners and my muffin tray, it's in the notes section of the written recipe on my website, thescranline.com. Split the mixture evenly between the 12 muffin liners. Bake these for 5 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. It's going to help give the muffins this really big boost in the oven for 5 minutes. Then turn the temperature down to 150 degrees Celsius and bake for an additional 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. As soon as these come out of the oven, sprinkle with some more chocolate chips. This is a trick that Instagrammers use to make things look really good. The heat is going to help melt and stick them to the muffins. If you want to grab the recipe for these delicious muffins, and guys, literally so good, especially when they're warm, grab the recipe on my website, thescranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line. Bye!